And I will continue to bring it up because I do not see any point to anything that we are doing unless we move the country forward.
Yeah.
If we resigned ourselves to saying that, okay, well, we can't do anything, you know, I only have 6 years. If you resign to yourself to that I can't do anything, you will not do anything.
Yeah.
And this is what we've seen over so many past decades. So I didn't want to be another one. I didn't want to be part of that kind of attitude, especially in terms of public service.
Sabi ni Digong, corruption in the Philippines cannot be stopped. Ayun. It's all in the mindset. Oo, dahil iniisip mo, mga kababayan, na wala kang magagawa, o di wala kang gagawin. O di anong ginawa ni Digong? Eh di wala. Nabudol kayong mga DDS.